Hey there, AI enthusiasts. What I'm about to show you today will forever change the way you program. Google has developed Gemini 2.0, an AI that overshadows everything we've known before. And I really mean everything. Before we dive into the details, if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI developments, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Now hold on tight because what's coming is absolutely insane. We're witnessing a fascinating race between tech giants that's turning the entire industry upside down. While OpenAI dominated the market for a long time with GPT-4 and Anthropic set new standards for accuracy with Claude 3, Google is now coming out with an innovation that makes both look outdated. But why is that? Let's look at the technical details because they're truly impressive. Imagine working with a model that has a context window of, wait for it, this is not an exaggeration, 2 million tokens. For comparison, GPT-4 handles 400,000, Claude 3 200,000. It's like comparing a supercar to a compact car. This gigantic capacity means you can analyze and edit practically your entire codebase at once, an absolute game changer for large development projects. But it gets even better. The integration with GitHub Copilot since February 5th, 2024 is a particularly clever move. Microsoft, who's actually celebrating big successes with their OpenAI partnership, shows remarkable openness here. This means for you, all GitHub Copilot users, even those with a free account, now have access to the powerful features of Gemini 2.0 Flash. The benchmark tests show just how revolutionary this is. On the chatboard arena leaderboard, Gemini 2.0 Flash thinking achieves peak scores of 1,383 points. Even the highly praised GPT-4 can only watch from behind. When it comes to business models, things get really interesting. OpenAI charges a whopping $200 monthly for GPT-4 Turbo with Code Interpreter. Ouch. Anthropic and Google, on the other hand, set a much more accessible price point of $20. Google goes even further and offers a really powerful free version. This shows how aggressively they want to enter this market. And here comes the real ace up their sleeve. Integration with other Google services is a trump card that competitors can't offer. While others are still working on their cloud integration, with Gemini, you can directly access Google Drive, upload code folders, and analyze entire projects. The AI doesn't just understand the code, but the entire project context. It's like having an experienced senior developer who knows your project inside and out. A particularly fascinating aspect is the ability for multi-step thinking. Gemini follows a similar approach to Claude 3 here, and this is the crucial difference, with significantly higher speed. Wait a minute, let me show you a concrete example. If you have a complex problem, the AI doesn't just show you the solution, but also explains the solution path in detail. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you step by step through the development process. And now it gets really exciting. The practical application possibilities break all previous boundaries. Developers can not only generate code, but also discuss complex architectural decisions and identify optimization potential. The YouTube integration here is a real ace in the hole that competitors can't offer yet. Imagine you're working on a new framework and Gemini not only finds relevant tutorials, but automatically analyzes their content and extracts the most important learnings for you. It's like having a personal research assistant working for you 24 hours a day. An often underestimated aspect in professional development is documentation. And here, fascinating differences between various AI models emerge. While GPT-4 sometimes writes actual novels, you know, that endless documentation that nobody reads, and Claude 3 sticks to ultra-brief descriptions, Gemini finds exactly the right balance. The created documentation is informative and helpful without being too verbose. This not only saves valuable development time, but also improves code quality across the entire team. Speaking of team, if you find this video helpful, drop a like and share your experiences in the comments. I'm super excited to hear what you think about these developments. Google has obviously observed precisely where the competition's weaknesses lie during the development of Gemini 2.0. While OpenAI initially offered only one model and later introduced different variants, Google starts right away with a well-thought-out portfolio of different models. From Flash for quick, uncomplicated tasks to Pro for complex development projects, there's a suitable variant for every use case. But what's really impressive is the ability to handle large code bases. The huge context window allows analyzing and processing entire projects. Imagine you have a legacy project with hundreds of thousands of lines of code. For Gemini, that's no problem. The competition between different providers is driving innovation forward at a rapid pace. While Anthropic with Claude 3 focuses on accuracy and ethical AI development, and OpenAI with GPT-4 dominates in many areas of general AI application, Google with Gemini 2.0 now impressively shows that they can set new standards, especially in practical software development. Wait a minute, you know what's most exciting? Continuous improvements and updates will make these technologies even more powerful in the coming months. Insiders report developments that could fundamentally change the way we program once again. It will be particularly interesting to observe how the different specializations develop. Claude 3 will likely further expand its focus on accuracy and ethical aspects, while GPT-4 expands its broad knowledge base. Gemini 2.0 could further develop its strengths in practical development and integration with existing tools. The intense competition between providers will ensure ever better features and more competitive prices. What does this mean concretely for you as a developer? We're definitely at the beginning of a new era where AI is no longer just a helpful tool, but an indispensable partner in the development process. The ability of different models to understand complex tasks and solve them step by step, combined with seamless integration into existing development tools, is fundamentally changing how we develop software. Tomorrow's software development will be characterized by the skillful combination of different AI models, where each model brings its specific strengths. And you know what? This is just the beginning. The possibilities seem practically limitless, and with each update, each new feature, and each improvement, our possibilities as developers expand. The perfect symbiosis between human creativity and artificial intelligence will shape the future of programming, and tools like Gemini 2.0, GPT-4, and Claude 3 are important milestones on this exciting path to the future of software development. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and if you turn on the bell, you'll even be notified when we upload a new video. Hope to see you next time. Peace out. Stay real.